Welcome to Mining the Maximo Database, search techniques. Today we're going to talk about operators. The operators are the equal sign, not equal signs, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Pretty much like the old grade school operators with a little bit of a twist. So let's see how this goes. I'm in work orders right now, and I want to talk about the equal sign. The equality operator, or the equal sign, is used to find an exact match. So if we go to status and type equals APPR and press enter, we are only going to get work orders that have the status of APPR. We're not going to get WAPPR or anything else. This is an exact match, and that's what the equal sign does for you. We could also go here, let me clear this out, and if we're looking at location, how about we do equals 007. This is going to return a result set of only work orders that have the location exactly 007. No extra added characters, no characters before, no characters after. It's an exact match, and that's how the equal sign works. Now, the not equal sign is actually two characters together, and that is the exclamation point and the equal sign. So if I were looking for a status that's not equal to, in other words, everything else but comp for complete, I could type in exclamation equals COMP and press enter. Now I get a list of work orders that are not with the status complete. It's everything else. That is the not equal sign. Now the greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to signs work different ways for different types of fields. If you're looking at a text field, such as the work order number, it's actually not a numeric field. If you were to put in greater than 221000 and press enter, you would expect to get just the work orders that are greater than 221,000, so 221001 on up. But in reality, what you get, as you can see from the very first record that shows up here, is you get anything that has a number greater than 2 as the beginning, 221. So 8 is greater than 2. So that's why it shows up in the resultant set. But it's pretty good. If you're looking for a certain range of work orders, this will still do you just fine. You just have to remember that it's really doing an alphanumeric kind of a search, and it's not doing pure numerical. As you can see here, 84,425 is definitely not greater than 221,000. So this is it's not treated that way. You can also use this for reports, report dates. If we were to go to the report date here in the date field and put in greater than 01-01-12, that will yield me a result set with the report dates greater than January 1st, 2012. And you can see here, sure enough, that's what we have. It's actually a little bit different than that. When you put in a date without a time, it actually starts you at midnight. So midnight of January 1st, 2012 is right at the stroke of midnight. So we could get work orders in here with a later time. So in other words, if there was a work order that was January 1st, 2012 and it was 2 a.m., well, that still is greater than and still will show up in the list. And that is the operators, the equal, not equal, and greater than and less than signs.